My name is Spencer, and this is my story. The story of how FPV saved my life. On October 17th, 2016, after a long run of drug addiction and mental health issues, I attempted suicide in the form of a drug overdose. My wife found me unconscious and rushed me to the hospital, where I was resuscitated several times and stabilized for days. When I came around, I was confused and unsure of how my life would look moving forward. As 2017 began, I was struggling to find something to bring purpose to my life. I play a lot of video games. I tried to get back into old hobbies. Everything I did reminded me of my life before, the one riddled with drugs and depression. And this went on for most of last year. Sometime in September, I stumbled across FPV drone racing while watching YouTube. I was drawn in by the fast-paced action and the sensation of flying. After looking deeper into this awesome new hobby, I saw a video titled FPV Drone Racing for under $300. I bought everything on the list and started practicing on a simulator while I waited for my Eachine Wizard X220 to arrive in the mail. I flew every day, recharging one battery between flights. I was instantly hooked. I found what I was looking for, something to keep my attention, a creative outlet. I was content, and I didn't think it could get any better. And that's when I met my first friend in the hobby. I didn't know that there was anyone in my town that was flying these things because I had shut down all of my social media accounts in October 2016 after leaving the hospital. No Facebook, no Twitter, no Instagram, no Snapchat. So I didn't know that there was anyone else in Grand Junction that flew RC quads. So I searched YouTube, and that's when I found Chris. Mr. WestPsyde FPV. I dropped my phone number and a comment on one of his videos, and I received a text shortly after. When we met, I was nervous, and that's because I don't ever like feeling like the noob. But Chris never made it about that. He was just super willing to share whatever he could. Skills, tools, parts, whatever. He just wanted to make it fun and get another drone up in the air. Fast forward a year. October 2018, I have so many friends based around this hobby that I have met through Chris. People that share my interest in these awesome little flying machines. I feel a part of something, and I now can contribute spare parts, tools, skills to help others, because at the end of the day, it really is just people helping people, but it's based around an awesome, adrenaline-packed, addicting hobby.
My name is Chris, and because our stories are so similar, me and Spencer decided to collaborate on this project. I discovered FPV 2 years ago and instantly fell in love with flying these amazing toys in unreal locations and putting together edits to share with the community. Because at the end of the day, this hobby is great because of the people. Spencer and I are not alone in this either. I've met so many people, and their stories are always similar. FPV is about the community, and we welcome everyone. So get out there, find a local flying club, and come see for yourself how drones save lives.